Hi everyone, welcome back to Save with Jarod. I'm Jarod and today we're going to find out how to slash your home loan in half. Want to know more? Let's get into it. So, you want to halve your bond or mortgage, right? I mean, don't we all? Well, I'm going to tell you how. Over the last year, we've had a really massive drop in interest rates in South Africa. But have you really taken advantage of that? The interest rate has dropped by about 30% over the last year. That is a huge amount. Now, what does that mean for people like you and me? Well, for starters, a 1 million rand bond at the beginning of 2020 would have been issued at about 10% as a prime rate, which meant that for every million, you should be repaying roughly 9,650 rand per month for 20 years. Now, today, that same bond, you'll be paying 7,753 rand per month. That's a reduction of almost 1,900 rand per month. That is a hefty amount. This is awesome news for home buyers. But now, how does that benefit existing homeowners? What do you get out of this? Well, to be honest, nothing really unless you had a floating interest rate on your bond. Now, what if I told you that you can halve your bond term starting this month? Well, I've got a few tips on how you can do that. Tip number 1, renegotiate your interest rate. First things first, you have to renegotiate that rate with your bank. Banks will happily look at reducing your home loan rate and review it, but only if you ask. They're not going to do it for you without asking. Now, I'm going to use the same example of a 1 million rand bond. Let's say you took out a 1 million rand bond 2 years ago at 10% and you're currently paying 9,653 rand per month. You've managed to reduce your bond to 800,000 and have 18 years left. If you renegotiate your bond to 7%, which is the prime rate now, your monthly repayments will reduce to 7,753 rand per month. That's the saving we were talking about earlier. That's going to give you an extra 1,900 rand per month. Now, go phone the home loan department at your bank and ask them to review it. I've personally done this myself on my personal bond a few years back. With that extra money you now have saved, you're going to put that back into your bond every month, and I want to show you what that really does. Before we get into the next tip, if you're enjoying this video, please give me a like. It really helps grow this channel, and it helps me keep providing you with this information. 79% of people who watch my videos are non-subscribers. So take that leap and hit that subscribe button. I appreciate the support. Anyway, back to the video. Tip number 2, pay extra into your bond. Now, if you look on the screen, you'll see that by putting that money back into your bond, it reduces the term from 18 years left to 9.47 years. This is virtually almost half the number left. And look at the interest you're cutting down. Over 500,000 rand. Things are looking good, right? Now, what I want to show you is what happens if you round that up to 10,000 rand a month. If you see here now, adding that extra 350 rand a month has now reduced the number of years to basically as close to half as possible. Congratulations, you have now slashed your bond in half. Goal achieved. Now, the calculators I've used for this are the monthly repayment calculators and extra repayment calculators from OOBA.co.za. I'm not sponsored by them in any way. I just personally like how their calculators work. I'll link them below so you can do your own examples. If you get stuck, send me a message and I'll help you where I can. I think with those major 2 tips, you can really start reducing your debt, and rapidly. But remember, when you renegotiate your bond, it is a recalculation of affordability. So make sure your credit score is in good standing and all your accounts and repayments are up to date before you go through this process. I have a great video that can help you with this. Just check on the YouTube cards and I'll also link the video below for you to watch. If you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that this has helped you in some way, and I really hope that this helps you pay off your bond quicker. Share this with as many people as you like if you feel it can help them, and consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. Hit that like button if you haven't already. See you guys next time, and remember, keep saving.